Catalyst. Catalyst is India's first NEP aligned curriculum program for schools that brings forth the true experience of teaching-learning process by providing the right tools to students, teachers, and parents. With Catalyst, teaching and learning becomes creative, effective, experiential, and holistic. Catalyst includes the key ingredient that is often forgotten: engagement. Catalyst offers a wide range of tools, products, and services to support the key ingredient to enrich teaching-learning experience in schools. Here is what we offer for students. Textbooks. Catalyst offers its own set of textbooks that are NEP aligned with well-balanced content, visuals, worksheets, and activities for effective classroom learning. Workbooks. Workbooks are designed to bring out the observational and analytical skills of students in the classroom as well as in the experience room. Workbooks are designed uniquely and creatively to focus on critical thinking, discussion, discovery, problem solving, analysis-based teaching and learning. Formative and summative assessments. FA and essay help students to learn and relearn to achieve better results. Sample questions for English, science, maths, and social studies with different levels like easy, moderate, and difficult would be provided to teachers. Schools that do not opt for question papers would be provided with question paper generator software, which helps teachers prepare question papers on their own without much hassle. Hands-on lesson kits. Teachers are allowed to provide hands-on experience to students on the concepts being taught. But not every concept is easy to explain without an effort at imagination. Hands-on lesson kits are physical models for science and maths that substitute imagination to an extent, making teaching easy and efficient. Activity kits. The activity materials allow teachers to interact with students while being able to assess their learning abilities and imparting 21st century learning skills to students. Human dimension activities for science and maths are provided with HLKs, whereas for English, the activity kits are exclusively designed for the experience period. Teacher's Manual. The Teacher's Manual is a go-to guide for teachers to ensure effective and systematic implementation of the experience period. 5-step methodology is used in the Teacher's Manual, creating an efficient teaching and learning ecosystem. Teacher Training. Teacher training allows teachers to acquire knowledge on conducting experience periods and equip themselves with the best practices to improve the overall efficiency of teaching. Lesson Planner. Lesson planners help teachers to plan out their regular classes in the most efficient and systematic manner to achieve better results. Bloom's taxonomy is impressed to ensure the learning outcomes designed by NCF are inculcated with the outcomes marked by NEP 2020. This includes conceptual understanding, integration of subjects, higher order thinking skills, and peer tutoring. Web portal. We have a web portal for students, parents, and teachers, wherein they have access to all content to encourage self-paced learning and to ensure information is available anywhere, anytime. DIY activities for students, concept overview videos for teachers, and parenting videos are provided for the better understanding of the needs of the children in the ever-changing world. Benjamin Franklin said, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn."